In this video, we'll show you how to download and install Adobe Creative Cloud on your Mac. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to it.miami.edu/Adobe. When prompted, sign in with your login ID and password and then authenticate with MFA. From the Adobe Creative Cloud page, scroll down and click on the orange Login to Adobe CC button. Next, on the Adobe Sign-In page, enter your email address and click Continue. From the Adobe home screen, navigate to the Desktop Apps button on the top right of the page. In the list of software, locate Creative Cloud and click the Download button to proceed. Next, click Allow to authorize the download. Once the download is complete, locate the file and click to launch the installer. Double-click the folder to install Adobe Creative Cloud. On the pop-ups, click Open and then click OK to proceed. On the account authentication screen, click Continue, then enter your computer password and click OK on the pop-up. During installation, you can then choose to answer the personalization questions or select Skip Question at the bottom of the window. Once installation is complete, you may be prompted to sign in again with your university email address. Sign in once more with your login ID and password and authenticate with MFA. Once initialization is complete, click Done on the Welcome pop-up. On the Adobe landing page, select Apps from the left or right-hand menu bars to view the applications available to you for installation. From here, you are able to install various applications by clicking Install on the corresponding app. For additional support, please visit our website or contact the Student Technology Help Desk.